Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial of coding. In this tutorial of coding, we are gonna be continuing our tank game. So far we have uh, this, the tank is controlled by WASD and the tank is basically ready. So in this part, we are going to add enemies, simple enemies. So let's actually just uh, copy this tank. Okay, and then paste it. First, you have to create a new sprite, and then copy this by clicking here from the select tool, and then create a new sprite. Paste it by clicking here, and then first I'm going to have to change the color. Let's change it to like enemy tanks, to be zombie tanks. I don't know if that makes any sense, but let's just do it. Enemy tanks, zombie tanks, enemy zombie tanks. Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna copy this color and then there we go. We have enemy tanks. So I'm going to have to go to the code, and then when green flag clicked in events, it should first of all go to X. It should go to the very back. I guess that much far is away. It is far. It's going to be okay, but I'm gonna make it so the Y, it every time chooses a random number. So I'm gonna say negative 180 to 180. Oops, there we go. And as you see, it goes from anywhere to the top to the bottom. Okay, let's now get a forever loop. Wait 1 second or two, maybe 2 seconds. We are going to create a clone of myself. And oh yeah, I forgot to hide the sprite. There we go. I hid it. When I start as a cloud, so good. Uh, so and then we have to forever move 3 steps. Actually, let's say repeat until touching tank or the sprite 1. Actually, or the sprite 1, let's add or sprite 2, so it also destroys itself self when it touches the bullet. So and then after that, we're gonna delete this cloud, and it should not always spawn at the same position, otherwise it will be very easy for the player to kill the enemy. And I'm gonna then pick random. Should pick random y 180, negative 180 to 180. Okay, so let's see. Okay, should point towards player or the sprite one. Sprite one. We have tanks coming from everywhere. Let's kill the tanks and destroy them. Okay. So I would like to add lives. To add the lives, I'm going to create a new variable named lives. And in the beginning of the game, let's set lives to 5. And touching sprite 1 or wait. So I'm gonna delete this or sprite or 1 because it will even change the lives if it is touching the bullet, but they died, we did not. So we're gonna save touching sprite 1, and then we're gonna save touching repeat until touching sprite 1, or in another, when I start as a clone I duplicated it. If repeat until touching sprite 2. And here we're gonna change lives by -1. -1. Before we can test it, let's just add an if. Touching, if equals 0, lives equals to 0, then stop all. Okay, let's test it out. Oh, it's very fast right now. Okay, let me die. Okay, let the enemies hit me. And the last one, I die. And the game stops. Remove this, move 3 steps from that one, and it will move 3 steps. It was actually moving 6 steps because it was given the command to move and 2 die. Yeah, it was like given the command 2 times to move 6 steps, so it will move 6 steps. So remove from one of these, move 3 steps. So we have enemies that we can die. So hey, go away, dude. You can actually create the zombies. Actually, from the tank, we are going to make zombie. the zombie. Let's see. Let's take as a circle. We use that as the zombie, and then let's place it in the middle, and then I'm gonna make some hands like that. I'm gonna copy this, paste, flip horizontal, and then put it like that. Actually, I'm gonna make a big gap. Gonna create a gap in between by rotating this sprite. And then making another one. There we go. Let's see this works. And we have zombies coming towards us. Okay, this is a weird zombie. Yeah, this is indeed a weird zombie. Wait. Okay, I'm just a very bad zombie creator. Okay, I guess a circle will be enough to show the zombie. This circle is very bad, I mean small. So let's just make it larger. So I'm gonna press Alt, so it is still going to stay even. It's gonna increase the size from the middle. Why is it not? Wait. Wait, what happened? Okay, that was the problem. I was pressing all this much larger. But yeah, it's good enough. Actually, it's very big. So I'm gonna decrease its size by holding Alt. Like that, that should be enough. Yeah, and this is enough. This is for the part 2. In the next part, we are going to add much more advanced deaths, like the player will have an animation of exploding. So that will be it for this part. Hope you guys like this part. Yeah, these enemies are never going to kill me because I'm a very good shooter. Hope you guys like this video. I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.